Hello electric bicycle enthusiasts! Welcome to the Robert Barrio channel. I just bought myself a Gopro Hero action camera. I bought it especially to be able to record my upcoming electric bicycle tour from Ottawa to Halifax this coming July, so you can follow me if you're interested. But I also intend to use it to show you the wonderful network of bicycle trails of the Ottawa-Gatineau region. My first concern when I ordered the camera was how I could hold the camera or mount the camera for recording while I'm riding my bike. So I bought the kit you see illustrated here from Amazon. It cost me only $38 Canadian. The kit contains a wide variety of adapters that fit the GoPro. So today I will test different ways of holding or mounting the camera while riding the bike. The first one I'm going to try is the helmet mount, which seems to make sense. For one thing, it frees your hands, and on a bike it's not a bad idea to hold on to the handlebars. The first thing I noticed is that it doesn't necessarily show what's in front of the bike when I turn my head. The next thing I notice is that even though the camera is tiny, I can still feel its weight on top there. It does unbalance the helmet a bit, but I guess that's something I'll get used to. But one of the nice things is with the GoPro is that you can use voice commands to turn it on and to turn it off. This way of holding the camera gives a fairly stable image, but aiming the camera though takes a bit of adjustment because obviously you can't see what you're filming until you stop and remove the camera from your head. The next holder that I'm going to test is the chest mount harness. My first concern is the small size of the harness. It's obviously made for a much smaller person than me because I had to use the entire chest strap and it's still too snug for long-term comfort. I'll have to find a way to lengthen the chest strap. The other concern is that the holder aims the camera a little too low. The following day I was able to correct this by filing away some of the plastic above the mounting hinge. As for the image, it makes it obvious that I'm riding a bike since the image takes in the handlebars. The image moves with the pedaling motion, but it's fairly steady otherwise. So I think I might want to make use of this way of mounting the camera. The third holder that I'm going to be testing is the wrist mount. The first thing that I noticed was how wobbly the camera feels when it's strapped to my wrist. So it's going to give us a very shaky image. I really don't think that this is made for an electric bike or any kind of bike. I think this method should be okay for skydiving or bungee jumping, but not for bicycling. The fourth method I'm testing is the little zebra tripod, which has flexible legs and which came with my kit. You can fold its legs and use it as a handle grip. The camera wiggles a bit because the attachment at the top of the tripod is a little loose. Also, the flexibility of the tripod itself makes it a little unstable in my hand. The disadvantage is that you'll be riding with just one hand, so it wouldn't work in instances when you have to maneuver the bike around obstacles. The advantage is I can see what I'm filming, but the image isn't as stable as with the helmet and chest mounting systems. Next on the list of camera holders is the ever-popular selfie stick. Of course, this too means riding with one hand. I think I would use this method if I wanted to talk to my audience while I'm riding, if I had a lot of things to say. The image looks remarkably stable, but that's an illusion because it's me who is stable in relation to the camera, but the background is a little bit wobbly. The big drawback is that you'd have to spend all your time looking at my face. Now we will try the same selfie stick, but collapsed and facing forward. So I'm using it as a handle grip. My first impression is that it feels very unbalanced and shaky in my hand, and the image it produces is a little shaky as well. It's nice to be able to see what I'm recording, but there's a better option in the kit, and that's coming next. What I'm trying next is the yellow plastic handle grip that came with the kit. This is a handheld device which feels pretty solid in the hand. One advantage is that if ever I fall off a bridge into the water, the device will make the camera float. All kidding aside, this would be a very practical way to shoot a number of short scenes. I could store the device in my handlebar bag and retrieve it rapidly when I need it. It enables me to frame my shot accurately, and it's reasonably stable. At last, number 8. I'm testing the mounting device that attaches to the handlebar. I had to fiddle around with several different adapters in the kit to arrive at a usable mount. The advantages is that it's hands-free and I can see what I'm recording. But the result really isn't suitable. The image is shaky and the camera tilts and turns with the direction of the handlebars, which makes a roller coaster feel. I don't think I'll want to use this way of mounting the camera. So that's the end of the test. So what can we conclude from all this? The selfie stick with the camera facing forward is a no. The wrist mount is a no. The zebra tripod is a no. The handlebar mount is a no also. The helmet mount is a yes. The chest mount is a yes. The yellow hand grip is also a yes. And the selfie stick, I think I might use it sometimes. For more information, visit my website www.robertberrio.com. Thank you for watching.